Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming rewards is enabled. This link points to your profile. Once done, navigate directly to the Microsoft Rewards dashboard and open the Quizzes or Daily Sets section so you have the tasks visible. Make sure to keep one dedicated browser tab or the app open to avoid timeouts and allow notifications so you don't miss limited-time quizzes. This setup speeds completion and ensures every earned point attaches correctly to your account. You should start with the shortest or time-sensitive quizzes and work toward longer ones. This reduces the risk of missing limited offers. While answering, use quick targeted research for uncertain questions. Search the exact phrase or context to verify an answer rather than guessing. Once done on one device, switch devices to access additional eligible quizzes because some sets are device-specific. Make sure to pace yourself. Short bursts for fast rounds, longer focus for comprehensive quizzes, so accuracy stays high and points stack reliably. After you finish each quiz, submit answers and claim the points immediately. Then verify your rewards dashboard shows the update. Once done for the session, track daily progress and set a quick reminder for resets so you don't miss recurring quizzes. If points don't appear, sign out and back into the account, refresh the dashboard, and check that you use the same Microsoft identity across devices. If the issue persists, wait a short window. Sometimes points take minutes to post, and then retry signing in or repeating the quiz.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.